Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT black screen. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a link and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, simple fixes first. If you have VPN, okay, make sure that you disable your VPN for now. And then once done, if you're currently using a browser that got Shield or ad blocker, disable it for now as well. And after that, just check if it works. If that still won't work, go ahead over to your browser and find OpenAI system status or at status.openai.com. Hit on enter. If there are issues right here, well, that might be the reason why your ChatGPT got black screen. All right. For example, right here under ChatGPT, if recently it says issues, well, that might be the reason. All right. You'll have to hover over the latest update right here. Now, if that's not the case, we're going to go ahead over to the top right of our browser, click on the three dots and click on settings. First up in the left panel, privacy and security. Now scroll down, click on delete browsing data, leave cookies and other site data and cached images and files ticked. After that, make sure that it is set to all time. Now go ahead and click on delete from this device. All right. So just click on it. And once done, go ahead over to, again, privacy and security, scroll all the way down, find third-party cookies. Now in here, scroll down, click on see all site and data or data and permissions, and then just find ChatGPT and OpenAI. All right. And then just click on delete and then delete. Once that's done, close the browser, reopen it, open up ChatGPT and just log in. And after that, your black screen is fixed. If that still won't work, click on the three dots, go ahead over to settings. In the left panel, you have a system. All right. Now make sure that you use graphic acceleration when available. Enable this feature and it will ask you to restart your browser. All right. So once it's restarted, go back to ChatGPT, log in, and you should be good to go. That is how you fix ChatGPT black screen. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.